Page 7, Carousel Melody. Let's look this over. 4 lines long, treble bass clef, 3/4 time signature. We got dotted half notes and quarter notes. Think we can handle all that? You got a bunch of tied notes. Looks like the melodies for the most part is in the left hand. That's nice. Let's take it one hand at a time and make sure we got the notes for each hand working. The right hand, you're starting on an E and a G here, so you're in this position. And you're just playing the E, G. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay. Second line, it's an F and a G here. 1, 2. You get the idea? Okay. And the last line, its first measure is E, G. And the last 2 measures. 1, 2, 3. See, the G stayed the same, but at this, the bottom note changed. Left hand, we're starting 1 on here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. And that's tied for 2 measures, so hold on to it for 6 counts and then go on. You can do that. Put the heads together here slowly. It's 1, 2. Make sure you're holding the left hand down. 1, 2, 3. You put the hands together and then go back over the touchy spots, tough spots, and get rid of the hesitations. And we can think about the articulation. Really, they give you a few slurs, and that's it. I suggest you pretty much connect it according to the phrasing, and that in this case, it's every 2 lines is a musical sentence. So connect the first 2 lines down. I'm talking melody here, that's the left hand. Connect the left hand for the first 2 lines. Lift up. It's like taking a breath at the end of the second line. Left hand, or the right hand, you just have the chords. Just, you have the chuck chuck, and the right hand you got the chuck chuck. Where the left hand gets the and you chuck chuck, chuck chuck, chuck chuck. That's it. They're not real short. Just play them. So it's a little weird because you're connecting the left hand, not the right hand. It's a little weird. They're different. Then the dynamics. Now they gave you 2. I wish they wouldn't do that. That's not the way music works most of the time. You need 1 dynamic in the middle of it, and that's the case. It's the F forte, and you apply that to the melody wherever it is, and everything else needs to be in the background. That's called bringing out the melody. They're telling you, play the left hand loud and the right hand soft. Well, that's what I'm telling you by bringing out the melody. Play this loud and this soft. So you're heavy in the left hand and you're very light in the right hand. We want to hear the melody. And finally, the speed. Moderately fast doesn't say a lot to me. It's sort of fast. Is this slowing down at the end? Just slow down a little bit. How much to slow down? I don't know, just slow down a little bit. See, there's just not a lot of absolutes in music. I can't say this is fast or this is slow or you slow down this much or this is loud and this is soft. It's a range. It depends on the situation and how you feel. Remember the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. We want to feel that. 1, 2, 3. Don't force it, just feel it and it'll come across. Let's play it together very slowly to double check we have the right notes and rhythms. So I'll give us 3 counts. Now I'm not doing dynamics here. I'm just playing both hands about the same. 1, ready, go. 3, off. There's a duet for this at the bottom of the page. I'd like to play that, and you play what you just played. I will speed this up a little bit, quite a bit actually. I need you to go up an octave again. You should be good at this by now. You just pretend middle C, instead of here on the piano, it's up here. And instead of here, you're up here. Play it all up here. I'll give us 3 counts. 1, ready, go.